Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So after a long time, I'm giving a complete status of all the states state-wise. So NEET PG 2022 complete status tracker for round 1. So in this video, we will discuss about all the states counseling: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Pondicherry, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Cat A and Cat B, Telangana, Cat A and Cat B, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Jharkhand. When is the registration going to complete? Registration almost completed except few states, and when the choice filling is going to complete and the result will be published. Regarding all India quota deemed and DNB, registration choice filling result, all these things are over, and there is a resignation rule got published, which I published in the last video. Regarding Andhra Pradesh, and before that, I'll tell you this is the number where you can contact us 9319128677. Those who are still confused about the counseling and how to proceed, and based on their rank, if they need kind of assistance from our side for counseling, you can avail our personalized counseling guidance. Andhra Pradesh Cat A registration, choice filling, everything is done. Okay, the result just got published today, so it's second of result got published for Andhra Pradesh state quota. Andhra Pradesh Cat B, the choice filling got over today, and result is yet to be published. Bihar state, choice filling going on, and it will be available up to 5th of October, and on 8th you can expect the result. In Chhattisgarh, the choice filling and registration both are over, and result is yet to be published. In Gujarat state, the registration and choice filling both are done. Okay. Haryana, this is the state where it's open state. Everything is pending. Haryana, then next state is Uttarakhand, and after that Telangana BCAT. So these three states, registration, everything is pending, registration, choice filling, and all such things. In Himachal Pradesh, choice filling is done and result is awaited. In Karnataka, there is little delay up to third. There was means up to today there was last date for document verification. Okay, and then they will publish the date for choice filling and result. So there will be little delay in Karnataka. There are many candidates who are waiting for Karnataka counseling. Kerala has published its result yesterday. Okay, and in Maharashtra, we are expecting the result by today. Madhya Pradesh, up to 9th, you can do the choice filling, and result is awaited. Pondicherry, the choice filling was done initially, and the result is awaited. In Punjab, on 6th, the result is expected. Choice filling is done. Rajasthan state, okay, up to the choice filling is going on. The date got extended, and you can expect the result. Okay, on 7th. In Tamil Nadu ACAT, the choice filling is available up to 6th October 5 p.m. and result you can expect on 8th of October. Tamil Nadu Cat B management quota, choice filling date is not published and is awaited. Telangana Cat A also choice filling pending. Telangana Cat B, everything is pending. The Uttarakhand, everything pending. Odisha state, the choice filling will go on up to 5th, okay, from tomorrow, and on 7th up to 6th or 7th you can see the result. In Uttar Pradesh, the choice filling going on is a very important state for mediocre or poor ranker. Okay, up to 5th you can do the choice filling, and on 6th you can see the result. In West Bengal, up to 2nd of October you can do the choice filling, and on 11th you can expect the result. In Jharkhand state, up to 1st there was choice filling done, and tomorrow you can expect the result there. So this is the complete status tracker. Okay, and on actually after a long time I updated it on the demand of many candidates. They say that it's very helpful to track the status of multiple states. Okay, and if you expect some special kind of videos from NEET mentor team, you can comment us in the comment section of the video. We will try to bring it out. Okay, you can also take a screenshot, or I'll update it in the Telegram group. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye. Take care.